Um, so, how you stop hiccups. Today, we're going to tell you how to start hiccups. And
This is fun.
And, so, first you lay down, just kind of sit up down, and then, you just, when you feel the hiccup coming, just squeeze like you're gonna.
You just hold, don't let the hiccup happen.
Yeah.
I invented this technique. And in the last 24 hours, Heidi had hiccup yesterday and was able to stop them in the car very quickly. And then this boy Sammy had them this morning.
First time.
And he just laid on the floor, put his arms up, and just held kind of your diaphragm-y area. Just hold it and don't let that hiccup happen.
And we think he got it.
When you feel it, you definitely got it. He stopped, had that hiccup stop.
I'm going.
When you feel the hiccup coming, you just don't let it happen. Don't let it happen. Don't let it happen.
And besides the way, I have some water.
After like a little bit of time,
Make sure the hiccups don't come back.
they don't come back.